Hello everyone and welcome to Shuli Tech classes, and today it's our sixth class for CBSE Class 10 for the subject Artificial Intelligence. And those who want to learn the basics of AI can also get benefit from these videos. In our last video, we did some applications of AI, and today we will cover some terms in detail like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, neural network, black box AI, and Turing test. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we will understand three major terms: AI, ML, and DL. We sometimes are very confused about these terms and we use them interchangeably. So, today we will discuss about them in detail and understand their difference. The first term is artificial intelligence. The concept of AI was given by John McCarthy in the year 1956. According to him, any system that mimics human intelligence is referred to as artificially intelligent system. Means if a system identifies faces the way human beings do, or if it can move or manipulate objects, or if it can understand our voice commands, or any other such task that human beings can do, then it is an artificially intelligent system. We have already studied so many applications of AI in our last video, like face recognition system, handwriting recognition system, shopping recommendations, pocket assistants, search engines, Google Maps, etc., etc., etc. Right? Now let us understand what is machine learning. The concept of machine learning was given by Arthur Samuel in the year 1959. Machine learning was actually a part of AI, means it's a subset of AI. It means among all the areas and applications of AI, some applications use machine learning algorithms. Such systems learn from data, and then after learning, they can take any decision or they can make any prediction. Such systems keep learning from their experiences to improve themselves. See, chatbot is an example of AI, right? They can be of two types: rule-based chatbots and learning-based chatbots. Rule-based chatbots are scripted chatbots. Their responses are based on predefined scripts. They don't create responses on their own. They don't learn anything by themselves. On the other hand, learning-based chatbots act like human beings. They acquire the knowledge about the framework for which they are designed. And using that knowledge, they responses all the inquiries with self-generated answers. Now, both the types of chatbots, rule-based and learning-based, are examples of AI. But only learning-based chatbots use machine learning algorithms. So, from this example, we can conclude that ML is a subset of AI, right? And now comes deep learning. This concept was given by Iger Eisenberg in the year 2000. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Means such systems learn from data and experiences and they keep improving themselves. However, in this case, we use very large amount of training data, and in addition to this, we use a special class of algorithms called artificial neural network algorithms to train the model and to make decisions. These algorithms are inspired by the structure and functioning of human brain. So, if we draw any conclusions, the first thing to note is that anything that mimics human brain is termed as artificial intelligence. Then, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that learns on its own by using data and improves itself from experience. And at last, a subset of machine learning is deep learning that uses a special type of algorithm called artificial neural network, and this algorithm mimics the structure and functioning of human brain. A question that appeared once in CBSE Class 10 exams was, Miss Susie is a beginner in the field of artificial intelligence. She got confused among the core terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Many a times these terms are used interchangeably, but are they the same? Justify your answer. Help her in understanding these terms by drawing a well-labeled diagram to depict the interconnections of these three fields. Now, the answer to the first part of this question is that no, we cannot use these terms interchangeably, as we have just discussed about it. And to answer the second part of this question, we have to draw the diagram as shown on the screen and then define each term properly. Now, let's discuss some more terms of AI. The first one is artificial neural network. We have already discussed that these algorithms are used in deep learning and they mimic the structure and functioning of human brain. A human brain cell structure looks like the diagram shown on the screen. Just like any other cells, it has a nucleus in it. Dendrites receives the input signals. Axon processes the input received from dendrites, and then the axon terminal produces the output. The output produced by one neuron becomes the input for next neuron. There again some processing is done and one more output is produced, and this output becomes the input for next neuron, and this process continues till the final output is not produced. In this way, human beings learn and make decisions. And the same process ANN follows. ANN has a collection of algorithms. We call them nodes. And these nodes work the way human brain neurons work. These algorithms or nodes are divided into three layers. The first one is the input layer that takes the input from the user. The last one is the output layer that produces the final output. And in between them, there can be a number of hidden layers. These nodes work in the same way as human brain cells work. They take input from the previous layer, do some calculation, and then passes the output to the next layer neurons. And this process continues till the final output is not produced. So I believe you now understand what ANN is. So let's take the next term, black box AI. Black box AI is any AI system whose inputs and operations are not visible to the user or other interested parties. Means we can see the output of such system, but we don't know how the input is processed to reach this output. Black box AI models arrive at conclusions or decisions without providing any explanation as to how they were reached. Deep learning models typically use black box learning. The algorithms used in such models are so complex that for a human being it is almost impossible to understand them. And the last term that we will discuss today is Turing test. It is designed by Alan Turing. This test is used to check the intelligence of a machine in comparison to a human being. A questioner asks questions from both a computer and a human being, and after comparing the responses, he analyzes how intelligent the machine is. So today we have discussed some terms of AI. I hope this video was useful to you. our next video, we will cover the domains of AI. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.